Why integrate multiple bank accounts?
Integrating several bank accounts into a shared budgeting app centralizes your finances. It allows families or housemates to track spending, split bills, and monitor savings across different banks. This approach provides a complete financial picture, reduces manual entry, and helps avoid budgeting surprises. Whether juggling personal, joint, or savings accounts, combining them streamlines your money management.
Popular budgeting tools with multi-account support.
Many family budgeting apps support multiple bank connections. Notable options include YNAB, Mint, and Goodbudget. These apps connect to major banks, import transactions, and let you categorize spending from various accounts in one dashboard. Before choosing a tool, check its bank compatibility, ease of use, and privacy features to ensure smooth integration for your budgeting needs.
How to connect multiple bank accounts.
To link several accounts, start by accessing the app's account section. Select Add Account and follow prompts to securely log into each bank. Repeat the process for every account you wish to add. Once connected, transactions from all accounts will sync. For security, use official bank login methods and verify permissions before completing the integration process.
Managing and tracking shared finances effectively.
With your accounts linked, use the budgeting categories and tags. Assign income and expenses to specific accounts or people. Apps often let you split transactions between users or label joint spending. Set up notifications and monthly reviews to catch irregularities. By tracking all activity in one place, families can plan together and stay accountable to shared financial goals.
Tips for secure and smooth integration.
Keep your budgeting apps updated for best security and performance. Use strong, unique passwords for both your apps and bank accounts. Regularly review account permissions to ensure only necessary access is granted. If changes occur at your bank, such as new login credentials, promptly update your budgeting app. Lastly, consult the app's privacy policy to understand how your data is used and protected.